Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It is very important. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Harmony OS operating system on Huawei phones. And as you can see, I have here two phones. On the right is P40 Pro Plus, and on the left I have the foldable X2, and this is the global variant and this is the Chinese variant, and I will show you the differences between these two phones. The first thing you have to do is go to settings, scroll all the way down and system and updates, and set your region to China. So language, and change the region to China. Dun dun dun. China, China, China. Where are you? China here. And China here. Okay. China, China. And we can change the language to English, and here not this. Oh, other language, and again English for you, brothers. Now I can go back. You have to be logged in with your Huawei ID, of course. What is the next step? The next step is open your support application, this one and this one. Okay, we are here. Okay, go back. Now open App Gallery on your phone. Change Me. Go to your Huawei ID and settings, and again set the country region to China. Here I can change the region, so China. Continue. Okay. China here. And now we have to update the support application to Huawei My. So again, go to App Gallery and search for My Huawei. It's here. And My Huawei. And we need to update the application on the Mate X2. It's updating. Okay, we have the newest version of support application downloaded. Now it's time to restart the phone. Again, after the restart, open App Gallery. Okay, tap on Agree. Now the App Gallery is in Chinese, and from here we can download My Huawei application. This one, update the support application on the X2. Again, search for My Huawei. The update is already available on the P40 Pro Plus. So tap on update and the application will be updated. The support app to my Huawei. So let's search the app again on the X2, my Huawei. Tap on search. Again, tap on the my Huawei application and tap on update. And all we have to do now is to wait. We have to wait. It's almost updated on the P40 Pro Plus. The same on the X2. This is the hardest part of the tutorial, bros. Update to get and update the support application and get the my Huawei application. This is the hardest part. So we can open the app on both phones, but okay, tap on open on the P40 Pro Plus and tap on open on the X2. Tap on next. Next. Now this needs to be updated. We are prepared on the P40 Pro Plus. Get started. I have a fast connection here, so the problem is on the Huawei side, on the Chinese side. We are almost prepared on the P40 Pro Plus, and we are still struggling some problems here. I go back. Open. Again the app. Okay. And now, what we need to do is, it's pretty simple. I will show you in English what the website says. Okay, so on both phones we have to tap on this button on the left. The animation is cool, I have to say. Don't forget, this is the Chinese version of the X2 and this is the global version of the P40 Pro Plus. So what is this? Scroll down. So go back. Try this. The update page. Yes. So you have to tap on this update icon shortcut, so tap on it, and as you can see, this is for Mate X2 and for the P40 series. So what says the website? Try it now, okay? Try it now and try it now. And from here we can choose the firmware for our smartphones. This is for the X2, so I tap on this button. And this is for the P40 series, so I have to tap on this button. Scroll down. This is important, brothers. This is the model number, which is supported, compatible with the Harmony OS, and the same on the right with the P40 Pro Plus, as you can see. So let's try luck. So tap on this blue button. Again, blue is good. Again, and what size the website? Public test description file, so we need to download the description file. So let's try on the Mate X2. Okay, we are on the Mate X2. We are able to download and install the Harmony OS operation system, as you can see. So tap on download and what agree. Okay, I think the profile is installed already. So I go back and now let's try download the update. Go to settings, system and updates, software update. Yeah, and we are here, brothers. I can download now Harmony OS operation system. So I tap on download and Harmony OS will be downloaded on the Mate X2. This is the China model of this phone. So this is the P40 Pro Plus, the global variant. And let's try tap on the blue button, brothers. And as you can see, nothing happened. It's because this my model isn't supported right now. I will show you. Settings, down, about phone, and my model is ELS, and with P40 series and P40 Pro Plus. I'll show you, not on this page, brothers, but on this page, I think. So also not on this page. Again, done. Tap on this and tap on this, and here. My model isn't supported, as you can see. It's only the ELS AN10, but I have ELS N39. So I'm out of luck on the P40 Pro Plus. I'm sad, but not so much because I have here the Mate X2 Chinese variant, and I'm really looking forward for Harmony OS testing. But the expectation is big, but we will see what the future brings. But this was a quick look and tutorial how to get Harmony OS on your smartphone. This is out of luck. It's a global variant which is not supported. You have to use own Chinese variant. This is the Mate X2 from China direct from Huawei, and the Harmony OS. It's fine. All you have to do is again set your region to China, then update your support application, set your region to China in Huawei ID, restart your phone, the app gallery will be updated, and from the app gallery you can search for My Huawei application. it will update the support application, and then will open the My Huawei application, and from here you can download the beta public profile on your phone, and you will be able to install the Harmony OS operation system. Brothers, I do hope you ended up enjoy the video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe. As I said every time, I very appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Thank you. Peace out, brothers. Bang.